I want us to solve a question. The question is on the screen. If this and this are given, find square root of A times B. Now, before we start anything, there's something I want to show us. You know that in this question, they said A ratio B ratio C is equal to what? 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. Yes, that's correct. Now, this thing here means that these 2 ratio 3 ratio 4, they are actually ratios. Do you understand? They are ratios. But if you want to know the original size of this thing, let me write it down. I want to know the original size of this ABC. I'm going to add something to the back. Watch me. Instead of me writing 2 now, I will say 2K. 2K. Now this K will give me the original size of this ratio. Then followed by what? 3K. Then followed by what? 4K. So now what have I done? I have turned the ratio to the original size. So that K is a constant. Do you understand? So this one is correct. That is the ratio. But this one is the original size. So from now on, I can say that A is equal to what? 2K. Let me write it here. A is equal to 2K. I can say B is equal to what? 3K. And I can also say that what? C is equal to what? 4K. I hope you understand what is going on. Okay. So with this background, I won't use the ratio again. No, it is the original size I'll be using now. So let's solve the question. All right. So I've taken the first condition. Let me take the second condition. Okay. All right. Now in the second condition, what did it say? You said, okay. Let me write the question out first. We have A plus B plus C is equal to 9. So let's do this one. All right. So that means we have roots. Now, what is A plus B plus C? So I want to use the original size. Okay. Not the ratio. All right. So let's do it together. That is what? 2K plus 3K plus what? 4K is equal to what? 9. Now, what is 2 plus 3 plus 4? That's 9. So 9K square root is equal to what? 9. So what is square root of 9? 3. But square root of K, we don't know. So then this one is still what? Still 9. So we can divide both sides by what? By 3. Do you see that? This will cancel. That means that root K is equal to what? 3. So from here now, we can square both sides again. So if I square both sides again, I'm going to have something like this. I'll have root K raised to the power 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2. So root and square, they will cancel. So K is what? K is 9. Since K is 9, it is easy for me to what? Simplify the original question. Remember the original question now. The original question says, evaluate roots of what? A, B. So now, I will just come and say, okay, original question, root of what? A times B. Do you remember the original size of A? 2K. So write 2K here. What about the original size of B? 3K. Okay, that's good. Remember, original size, not ratio. So what is 2 times 3? That's 6. So I'm having 6K square. And from the law of surds, we can break it down. We can say root 6 times what? Root K square. You'll agree with me that roots can cancel the square. So we have root 6 times. Now it remains K. And what do you think the value of K is from here? 9. So what's the final answer? 9 root 6. And that is the end of the calculation. Thank you.